y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today I am on the Las Vegas Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are staying tonight at the Venetian. I'll show you around a little bit, and we're going to look at some other casinos and hotels and go inside and see what they're all about. We'll get started right after this station identification. This is where we check in at. This rotunda. This is the ceiling in the lobby of the Venetian. It is all hand painted. As well as the marble tile floor. Very grand. Oh wow, look at this. Well, here is our room. This is past fancy. A tub and a glassed-in shower. Hey, we've got the one with 2 queen beds because the other suite wasn't ready and we were ready to get in our room. This thing has a step-down living room and a couch, and we paid $50 extra to get a view. And there is the view. Mirage across the street. And Trump Tower. The Plagio is next to us. And some rockin' music going on down below. And oh, look, there's something over there. Well, we're gonna go out and check it out. That's the casino in the Venetian. As you can tell, it is very, very loud. Look at this. You come in, I'm assuming the way these tables are set up, and you watch games and you bet on them. It's crazy. That is not the real sky, but it looks like the real sky. And it looks like we're in Italy, but we're not in Italy. We are in the Venetian, and I get a feeling that I'm on the Truman Show. It's real, but it's not. There's our famous gondolier at the Venetian. Not in Gotham City either, even though there is Batman and Catwoman up on the top of the deck. Venetian, as well as all of the casino hotels, there are hundreds of little shops. And these are not the quaint shops for people that's cheap like me. No. And look at all this. Is it ice cream? This is so cool. When you get up at 6:30 in the morning because your body is still on South Carolina time. And that's been a challenge. Yesterday I went 20 hours without sleep. Hadn't done that in a long time. But if you get up real early, morning, everybody else is in the bed. There's a fancy art gallery. You can really get a chance to see some of this architecture unobstructed. Even a Harley Davidson store and the Venetian shops, or as they refer to the Grand Canal shops. Look at these chandeliers. In the Venetian, there are over 160 shops, over 35 set-down restaurants, and we're not talking about Hardee's and McDonald's either. This is thought to be one of the oldest gondolas still in existence. Those wood carvings on it. They have it here on display in the Venetian. They think this gondola was built between the late 1800s to the mid 1800s. This gondola is 36 feet long, 4 feet and 7 inches wide. That's a gondola license plate. There are outside gondola rides as well. This is just the hall in the Venetian Hotel, Resort, Casino, whatever you want to call it. Nonetheless, this place features a hand-painted ceiling and this tile and this illusion that makes you feel like it's 3D. It is wild. Well, that is going to be a wrap for our tour of the Venetian Hotel, as well as some of the other hotels on the Las Vegas Strip. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. But until the next time, y'all have a good day and love somebody.